Hi friends, this is the rate Old Monk and today we are with the Realme 2. We are going to check in this video the unboxing of the device, hands-on, the camera features, what we are getting, and also the face unlock of the device. So let's start the unboxing of Realme 2, and here it is coming with the wrapped one, and there is a wrapper on the device. Just take it out, the plastic wrap. Now we will check it out what are the box contents, and I'm going through a quick unboxing here so that it will not get bored to you. Now in the box what we are getting here, you can see there is a silicone cover which is a silicone back cover. Other than that, there is a SIM card ejector tool, no paperwork. So the warranty card and the user guide is not here. And this is the device. Here you can see it comes with a diamond finish. It is a red in color. Let's start the device, let's boot it up, and we will check inside the box. The other contents, it has a charger. The charger, here you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. And we are also getting a micro USB cable which is used for data transfer or for charging. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an earphones in the box, so that will be a little bit let down. Here you can see the device. It comes with the diamond cut finish, what we have seen earlier in the previous devices of Realme, and it looks pretty premium. Here you can see the volume rocker keys. There is also SIM card, SIM slot, and on the other side we are getting the power button. These are the buttons what we are getting. On the back, if we come, there is a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera setup, LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor. Now talking about the SIM card slot, here we are getting 3 slots where it has a micro SD card slot and 2 nano SIM card slot. Now the both nano SIM card slot will support the 4G VoLTE, which is a great thing. So in both the SIMs you can have the 4G VoLTE, and there is a expandable slot which is you can expand up to 256 GB. So this is the expandable storage what you can go with the device. In the bottom part we are getting a 3.5mm jack, there, speaker grill, and the micro USB cable. So this is what we are getting. On the top, if we go, there is no noise cancellation mic, but in the bottom there is a noise cancellation mic. Now in the device you can see there is a notch. It comes with a 6.2-inch HD plus display, and the screen to body ratio is 88.8%, where you are getting a 19.9 aspect ratio in the device, and it comes with the 16.7 million colors. As far as the processor is concerned, it comes with the octa-core processor, Snapdragon 450. The RAM in this device is the 4GB and 64GB internal storage. It has a 8 megapixel front camera. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now talking about the OS skin, it comes with the Color OS 5.1. All the OPPO smartphones come with the Color OS, and this is also Realme is a sub-brand of OPPO. And the battery is 4230 milliampere, which is a little bit bump up. Now talking about the color, we got the color blue and the red here to show you, and both looks good, but red is definitely little more dynamic in color. And talking about the device, here you can see both has the 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage. Both are Realme 2, and the device looks pretty much good. It has the dual rear camera. And now talking about the other things in the setting part, going into the detail. Now in the notification, the status bar, we can change it to the battery percent. We can also see the network speed, also the data usage. Now coming into the display and brightness, one of the important things what they have given is that you can put into the color into warmer or default, or into the cooler mode. So the cooler mode will be little bit bluish, and the warmer will be little bit yellowish, and default will be little bit normal. Now talking about the notch, you can't hide the notch. There is a night shield where you can put it to the night mode or the reading mode. In the full screen you can play and give the permission to the apps which can be in the full screen mode. Now talking about the home screen wallpaper, here it's the general one. Now coming to the quiet time, that quiet time is more about the do not disturb mode. You can change it and you can play it around. Now talking about the fingerprint, face, and password unlock. So the device this time it comes with the fingerprint sensor. It was missing in the earlier version, and it has a face unlock too, and we will talk it about a little later. Now coming to the fingerprint sensor, here you can see it is at the back and mounted in the middle of the device at the back button, and here you can play around with the virtual keys and also swipe gesture feature, which I will recommend. If you can check it out before playing out, it will be well. Now coming to the storage, it comes with the 64 GB internal storage, where you get a 47 GB of storage to play around other than the OS and the installed apps. Now talking about, there is also a software update which I will show you. This is the Color OS and the latest update what it is running on the smartphone. I'm still pretty much not sure that this is the final version or not, what will be coming to the retail unit, because this is not a retail unit box. And there is a game space. Now talking about the game space, here the device will optimize all the background apps and give the most processing power to your game when you are playing it. We will talk about this in the gaming video which will be coming down soon, and I will put the link below in the description. So definitely check out the gaming of Realme 2. And now it also has a app splitting, so you can split the app in the screen, which is a good thing if you want to play it around. Now talking about the camera, in the camera you are getting a 13+2 megapixel at the back. In the front you are getting an 8 megapixel camera. You have flash function in the rear camera. You also get the SDR mode. There is also a timer and also the screen which you can change into a full screen, square screen or a standard screen. Now talking about the video, you can take the video into full HD or HD. Now you can zoom it into 1x or 2x. These are the features. In the rear camera you are not getting the AI, which we will talk it about later in the sample. Here you can check there is a beauty mode, but there is no AI mode in the feature. Maybe they will roll out in the update, I'm not sure about it. Now talking about the modes, what you are getting a panorama mode, you are getting a portrait mode, you are getting a photo mode, you are also getting a time-lapse mode and the video mode in this one. Now talking about the front camera, we come to the front camera. Here you can also shoot full HD and the HD video. In the video you are getting AI, you can see in the front camera there is the AI. You are also getting a HDR mode, bokeh effect. Bokeh effect is missing in the rear camera. And there is a time-lapse video, can be changed into full HD and HD, you can check it out. There is also panorama in the front camera. Now talking about the AR stickers, the AR sticker we haven't seen the device. Maybe a software update may be rolling out soon, so that you are getting the AR stickers to play around with the device. Now talking about the samples, we have captured some images using the device. Now talking about the image sample, here we have tried the SDR mode, the normal mode, and this is the panorama shot. So the panorama, the stitching is really very good, it came out well. Now when we are talking about the portrait shot, it misses out and it can't do the edge detection very properly. So here you can see I was trying to take out the clip, but it didn't came out well. This is a 1x shot. Now we have taken it in a 2x, so this is still the image came out well. This is the normal shot, this is in SDR mode, and finally we have taken it in the flash mode. Now these are the selfies what we have taken in the normal and the SDR using the portrait and the portrait with AI. So this is all about the camera what we are getting. Now talking about the software, it comes from the preloaded apps like Facebook and file manager, phone manager. These are the features like the themes you are getting inside it. It comes with the default browser, which is the Opera browser. There is also a smart assistant which will assist you. It will be more like Google Cards what we have seen, but it is the Color OS own customized app. And this is what we are getting in the smart assistant. I'm not taking it in a detailed way, but now we will go and check it out, the face unlock of the device and the fingerprint sensor, how fast it is. Now talking about the face unlock, definitely the face unlock is very fast. It comes with the 8 megapixel in the front with lots of sensor inbuilt in the device. We will talk about the sensor very soon in the another video. Here you can see I am using the fingerprint unlock, and it takes a very few seconds to unlock it. Currently here you can see the fingerprint sensor also works with a charm. So in this device you can also install the pattern. There can be a face unlock and there can be also a fingerprint sensor at the same time. As in the Realme 1, the face unlock was there, but the fingerprint sensor was missing, and I'm not sure why they missed it out. But in this one they have bring the fingerprint sensor. There is a notch which is definitely will be the highlight feature of the Realme 2, and here you can see we have given both the fingerprint sensor and also the face unlock is been registered in the device. Now we have also tried using the image to fake it out the face unlock, but definitely it didn't work out for us. Now talking about the device, it will be coming in two variants. It will be 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM. The 3GB RAM will have the 32GB of internal storage and 4GB will be coming of the 64GB of the internal storage. Now talking about the price point, my guess is that it will be coming for 7,000 to 9,000. This is the price point of both the devices. It will be going on sale through Amazon.in. This is all about the Realme 2. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.